Okay, so we would like to compute the indefinite integral of x squared cosine x. And this will require two integrations by parts. So let's see. We start with x squared cosine x, and we acknowledge the fact that cosine of x is the derivative of sine x. So saying cosine x or saying the derivative of x is one and the same thing. Okay? And of course, here we should recall our formula for integration by parts. Let me write it, adjust it to our case. So here we have f of x, g prime of x. Then that's the same thing as the product of the two functions minus the integral where their roles are reversed. Okay, it's not a hard formula to remember. So this will give you x squared sine x minus the integral of, so now we put the prime on x squared, that gives us 2x times sine x dx. And as we've been saying, we have two things that need to be done here. We have to clean up and then assess things. I'm saying assess things because obviously I'm choosing the right way of integrating this, or rather a way that will work. But occasionally we may do an integration by parts and it might not work. It might not give you something useful. So at the assessing part, you will have to decide whether what you got was something that you want to keep or you simply want to scrap that integration by parts. And here we, of course, want to keep what we got, because once we take that 2 out, we see an integral that is very much like the one we started with, only simpler because now we have an x. So we decide to do one more integration by parts because we know that that x will further be reduced. It will be reduced to 1. So we think of sine as what? As the derivative of negative cosine. And we need to open a parenthesis. And perform our integration by parts in there. And now we're going to again put the prime on x, which gives us 1 times negative cosine x. Let's clean up. There's more to clean up here. So we have x squared sine x minus minus, that gives us a plus 2x cosine x. And then here we will have 3 minus signs in front of the second integral that will give us a minus overall. There's a 2, and then there's a cosine x. And of course, this last one is an integral that we can easily do. So that's x squared sine x plus 2x cosine x minus 2 sine x plus c. And that's all there is. There isn't any more. Thanks for watching.